In this video, I will show you how to create email templates in Gmail. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to mail.google.com. Log in with your email and password to access Gmail account. I have already logged into my Gmail account. First, we need to enable templates in Gmail. To do that, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right. Now click See All Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Find the Templates section and enable it. Then click Save Changes. Now we have enabled templates in Gmail. Now let's create a new email. Create a new email by clicking on Compose button. Enter your desired email content, including the subject line. You can even add attachments, images, and formatting as needed. Once email content is ready, we can save it as template. Click the More Options, which is 3 vertical dots at the bottom of the Compose window. Now hover over Templates and then select Save Draft as Template. Next, choose Save as New Template. Here you have an option to change the template title. By default, the template title will be the subject line of the email. Once done, click Save. Now let's see how you can use this template. First, compose a new email. Click More Options and then Templates. Now select the template you want to use. Write the rest of your message, add recipients, customize as needed. Once you are ready with your email, click Send. So that is how you can create email templates in Gmail and use it while creating a new email. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.